Well, I've been in banking for 20 years. Long time as a business banker, trader, portfolio manager. I'm a partner of a company. We compare investment performance across banks. And banks are my clients. We work a lot, we talk a lot with the top guys.
That sounds like a startup.
Yes, that's let's say mature startup. Yeah, I worked as a trader with a Japanese bank, Yamaichi. That was a great experience.
Yep.
And then started at UBS, and then big important experience was with Credit Suisse.
Yep.
Where I worked in portfolio management, and then went over to technology projects. The product as such, the portfolio engineering, there the price will go to zero, but the relation with the client advice, helping out the client advisory, that will be more important, and there exactly technology helps a lot. And we're not there yet. So today we just talk about this normal, to me a bit boring, robo-advisors, just doing the portfolio engineering. Do it, prices will go down, margins will decrease, will go to zero. Rather focus on the relation with the client, and we're not there yet. So far, we, the bankers, have miserably failed to get the clients in the boat. So 50% of clients do not understand at all what's going on. With FinTech and with digitization, we have the chance, to really get the client in the boat, help him to understand, talk about his risk profile. And that's, by the way, the strengths of Switzerland, So the Americans in building portfolios, they're much better, Portfolio engineering.
Construction,
yeah, that's it's an American thing. But we used to be strong in private banking, and that's knowing the client, know everything about him, and that can be done much better. Yes, we can interact with him in a better way, So once, of course, collect data, but not collect data in order to sell something to the client, but in order to understand him better. My motivation is very simple. I do things for fun, for learning something, and to leave a legacy. And if I have one of those, I win already. And that's clearly the case here. And then the other one is, I'm not the one, making the dots. I'm the one connecting the dots. And these startups, they're the guys making the dots. And I'm very good in connecting them.
You think that FinTech is really aimed at a business-to-business service now, the innovation laboratory for banks? Or do you see it as eventually taking over customer relationships?
Well, clearly in Switzerland, I see it towards business, B2B. Right. People saying like, I talked to some important people. Right.
Yeah.
A lot of important people there, and only a few decision makers. And you have to find them, and you have to prove them that you deliver value, and you have to find a mutual benefit, and then it's...
For the startups watching that, something they always ask me as well. How do I find the key decision makers through this millions of vice presidents, directors, everybody's the head of something? How do I find who's actually the authoritarian, the decision maker?
Well, actually talk to the people who know it, talk to the mentors. I believe, you cannot find that on LinkedIn because you have all these kind of, even a title and the part it plays in the organization chart doesn't mean that guy is making things going, So first you need to know who is who, then you need an introduction, I mean, it's the same, go to a pub in Switzerland, go and say like, hey, I'm Dave. And you're like, why are you?
Why? Yeah.
If that's my friend, I tell, hey, Dave, cool guy, 2 sentences, you're different. Same in business.